BX cable is characterized by its flexible metal sheath, a crucial element that serves as a reliable ground path. This integrated grounding capability significantly simplifies the process of retrofitting grounded receptacles, particularly in older buildings where dedicated ground wire might be absent. The metal sheath not only facilitates grounding but also provides a degree of physical protection to the conductors within the cable. When retrofitting grounded receptacles using BX cable, the electrician connects the grounding terminal of the receptacle to the metal sheath. This connection establishes a continuous path back to the electrical panel, ensuring that any fault current will safely trip the circuit breaker or blow the fuse, preventing electrical shock hazards. The integrity of the metal sheath is paramount for effective grounding. Any damage or breaks in the sheath can compromise the ground path, rendering it unreliable. Therefore, careful inspection and proper installation techniques are essential when working with BX cable. When installing BX cable, the electrician typically uses specialized connectors designed to securely clamp the cable and maintain electrical continuity between the sheath and the metal enclosure of the electrical box. These connectors ensure a robust and reliable ground connection. Furthermore, anti-short bushings, often referred to as redheads, are inserted between the metal sheath and the conductors to prevent abrasion and potential short circuits. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, provides specific guidelines for the installation and grounding of BX cable. Adherence to these guidelines is crucial for ensuring electrical safety and compliance with local regulations. Electricians should be thoroughly familiar with the applicable NEC articles and local amendments before working with BX cable. The ampacity of BX cable, or its current carrying capacity, is determined by the size and type of conductors within the cable. The NEC provides tables that specify the allowable ampacity for various conductor sizes and insulation types. It's important to select the appropriate cable size for the intended application to prevent overheating and potential fire hazards. The voltage rating of BX cable indicates the maximum voltage that the cable can safely handle. It's crucial to use cable with a voltage rating that is appropriate for the electrical system in which it will be installed. Exceeding the voltage rating of the cable can lead to insulation breakdown and electrical failure. When working with BX cable, electricians should always energize the circuit before making any connections or modifications. This can be achieved by turning off the circuit breaker or removing the fuse that supplies power to the circuit. The energizing the circuit eliminates the risk of electric shock. Furthermore, electricians should use appropriate personal protective equipment, or PPE, such as insulated gloves and safety glasses, to further minimize the risk of electrical injury. Proper grounding is essential for electrical safety. A properly grounded electrical system provides a low impedance path for fault current, allowing it to quickly trip the circuit breaker or blow the fuse. This protects people from electric shock and prevents damage to electrical equipment. Grounding also helps to reduce electrical noise and improve the performance of sensitive electronic devices. The NEC specifies the requirements for grounding electrical systems. These requirements vary depending on the type of system and the application. Electricians should be thoroughly familiar with the applicable NEC articles and local amendments before installing or modifying any electrical grounding system. Ground fault circuit interrupters, or GFCIs, are another important safety device that can help to prevent electric shock. GFCIs monitor the current flowing in the hot and neutral conductors of a circuit. If there is a difference of more than a few milliamperes between the two currents, the GFCI will trip the circuit, interrupting the flow of electricity. GFCIs are particularly effective at preventing electric shock in wet or damp locations, such as bathrooms and kitchens. Arc fault circuit interrupters, or RFCIs, are designed to protect against electrical fires caused by arc faults. Arc faults are unintentional electrical discharges that can occur when there is a break or weakness in the insulation of a wire. RFCIs detect the unique characteristics of arc faults and trip the circuit, preventing the arc from igniting nearby combustible materials. RFCIs are typically required in bedrooms and other areas where people sleep. When retrofitting electrical systems in older buildings, it's important to carefully inspect the existing wiring for any signs of damage or deterioration. Old wiring can become brittle and cracked over time, increasing the risk of electrical shock and fire. If the existing wiring is in poor condition, it should be replaced with new wiring that meets current safety standards. It is also crucial to ensure that the electrical panel is adequately sized to handle the increased electrical load of the new appliances and equipment. An overloaded electrical panel can overheat and cause a fire. If the electrical panel is not large enough, it should be upgraded to a larger panel that can safely handle the load. In addition to retrofitting grounded receptacles, other common electrical upgrades in older buildings include installing new lighting fixtures, adding new circuits, and upgrading the electrical service entrance. These upgrades can improve the safety and functionality of the electrical system. When performing any electrical work, it's important to obtain the necessary permits from the local building department. Permits ensure that the work is performed in accordance with local codes and regulations. A licensed electrical inspector will inspect the work to verify that it meets safety standards. The cost of electrical work can vary depending on the scope of the project and the complexity of the work. It's important to obtain multiple quotes from qualified electricians before hiring someone to do the work. Be sure to ask the electrician about their experience, their insurance coverage, and their warranty policy. Electrical work should always be performed by a qualified and licensed electrician. Attempting to perform electrical work without the proper training and experience can be dangerous and can lead to serious injury or even death. It's also important to be aware of the potential hazards associated with electrical work, such as electric shock and arc flash. Always take the necessary precautions to protect yourself from these hazards. Electrical systems are complex and can be dangerous if not properly installed and maintained. By following the safety guidelines and working with a qualified electrician, you can ensure that your electrical system is safe and reliable. In summary, BX Cable offers a convenient grounding solution for retrofitting older buildings. Its metal sheath acts as a reliable ground path, simplifying the installation of grounded receptacles. However, it's crucial to inspect the sheath for damage and use appropriate connectors and anti-short bushings to ensure a safe and effective ground connection. Always adhere to the National Electrical Code and local regulations when working with BX cable and other electrical wiring. Grounding ensures safety by providing a low impedance path for fault currents, tripping breakers quickly. Ground fault circuit interrupters, or GFCIs, add an extra layer of protection, especially in damp areas. Arc fault circuit interrupters, or RFCIs, protect against fires caused by arc faults. When retrofitting, inspect existing wiring, upgrade if needed, and ensure the electrical panel can handle the load. Obtain permits for all electrical work and hire a licensed electrician.